Hello. Yeah. Couple of Jira projects? Oh yeah. Yeah, I can delete those. That shouldn't be any problem. Okay. I'll let you know when I'm done. Bye. Delete a couple of Jira projects. This should be easy peasy. Boom. Done. Just to double check. Maybe I should look at... Wait a minute. What? What? This is not gonna be as easy as I thought it would be. Hello. Yeah, I just got through the first one, so you gotta give me more time. The easy way? What's the easy way? Project Gardener? Okay. Yeah, I see it here. Okay, let's see. You said somehow? Well, if this makes it any easier, then I am going to be thrilled because... What? Okay, bye. That really is easy peasy.